uncle. Now I've got to put some chlorine in here. I should use gloves. I'm holding my breath because the smell is unbelievably strong. That's my top. And if you look in this has got like little like edges, and so the top's got to smush in there. But let's go ahead and I'm going to put 3 in today because I've got a lot of leaves in the oh god, that smells strong. Bam, done. All right, let's get out of there. I hate that smell. I'm going to show you guys how to tighten this down here in a second. Oh look, there's my robot. You want to make sure that you get this. See these little nidgels? That's got to go in there. Twist it. And then all you do is put this in there. I've got it completely open, so it's ready to go. And bam, that's it right there. And then hopefully my robot will clean all this mess up. And that's my cool hacker. Check it out. All right, yeah, bam, done.